Yo, yo, G Talk 2020. You know the vibes. Tom Diesel here. Got another video, another unboxing. This time from the good people of Supreme, New York. You feel me? Bust this right open. Get right into it. You know the vibes. Got the two stickers. Yeah. Let's get into it. It's hard already. You know, big Supreme. Feel like the Chanel print, Chanel letters on it, you know. This shit hard. I have to unfold that for y'all, man. You know, gotta get the hatch match. Supreme come through with the clutch video as always. Clutch, this feels like some good material, good thick. It's not gonna shrink up on you. Got the little Supreme tag on it. See that shit. This is definitely a collector's piece. Nice weight to it. This is going back in the bag. I'm busting this out in the fall. Just have to let y'all know that the season gear is here. Fall, Supreme, they going crazy. Kudos. Now this is going up. I was thinking about selling it or keeping it. But I'm leaning towards keeping it now, so I can see what it look like. That's what I'm on. G-Talk 2020. Quick little review. Quick little Supreme jump for you. Quick little unboxing. Alright, y'all. Peace.